Welcome back to Kids Fun Science. My name is Ken. Today's experiment is the flying ghost. So we're going to make flying ghosts with science, and I'm going to show you how to do that next and the science behind it. What you need is a balloon, something to rub the balloon on to get static, scissors, a marker, and some toilet paper. And then on the toilet paper, you're going to want to spread it out. This is 2-ply. It would be 1-ply works a lot better than 2-ply, and that's all you need. Thanks for watching. If you like this experiment, please remember to click thumbs up and to subscribe. It really does help my channel. Thanks for watching.